Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show how to upgrade your old laptop to new one under just 4000 rupees only at home. Caution: do this process carefully, remove screws and back panel very slowly, avoid damage to laptop. Here you need a small screwdriver set to remove panel any strong narrow flat object. Firstly, we will remove DVD drive. You can see here most of the laptops will have only one screw through which we can remove DVD drive. Remove it carefully. This is that screw I am removing here. You can see this is that screw. You can see this is the DVD drive, and from this we will remove two parts: the screw holder, which is attached with small screws. Here you can see I am removing it. Remove carefully. After removing these screws, you have to remove this black color outer body. Of CD drive. It is easily to remove. That black color outer body you have to kept aside. Now this is the Crucial BX500 SSD I have purchased from Amazon, and this is SSD DVD case. If you want to buy, I will give link in description. I already installed it. You can see here. These are the 4 screws. You have to just open and install those BX500 SSD to that DVD drive case. You have to remove the extra black colored body, outer body as shown, and you have to fix those we have removed from the laptop DVD drive. You have to fix like this. This is very easy to fix. You just press it. Yes, this is fixed. This is ready, and now you have to fix the screw holder. Here we are attaching the small screws to the screw holder which goes inside. Here I just fixed it. Once you fixed, now you have to check you fixed this properly or not to insert DVD case into the laptop like this. This is properly fixed, and try to remove it. Okay, this is perfect. Now you have to we'll just keep this aside, and now we will open up laptop. Open up laptop to remove all the screws carefully. For some laptops, rubber straps will be there. Here I am removing these straps. Under these straps, screws will be there. To remove those screws as well, I am removing rubber strap. You can see here some screws will be there. You just remove those screws also very carefully. do the same other side. Remove straps and remove screws like this. Now you have to try to open the back panel with this object. I am using this object. Now you can open the panel carefully. Be cautious. If you forcefully open, there is a tendency of damage to laptop. This is the HDD, and this is battery, and this is cooling fan, and that SSD DVD case which we can install. That this will go here. Now in every laptop you can see there is only one RAM chip installed. To open that RAM, you have to slowly move the RAM pins away from chips like this to remove easily. In every laptop there is only one RAM chip installed. In this there is one empty slot. In some laptops these slots will be in cascaded manner. Now here one empty slot is there, you can see. And if you buy RAM for exact inside my laptop 4 GB RAM 2666V frequency is there. If I buy 4 GB RAM 1333V frequency, then my CPU performance will be go down to 1333V frequency. So purchase with the same configuration which is existed in your laptop. I purchased it from Amazon. You just open your laptop and you check your frequency. Now I am inserting RAM here. For insertion you just keep the notch and you just press like this. And now which I buy, and here I am inserting the same. You have to position a notch which they can given, and you just insert and you just press like this. You can see here I am just placing and just simply press like this. The RAM was installed here. Now our new laptop is ready. Now make sure evenly, keeping all the panel. Avoid damage. We just press all sides evenly like this. After pressing panel, and now you have to fix all the screws as shown in the video. Don't miss out any screws, and close the rubber straps as they can placed earlier. Do carefully. After fixing all the screws, you have to insert DVD case after fixing all the screws. Now we will insert DVD case. After inserting this part, only you can tighten this particular screw. I have installed Windows in my newly installed SSD and formatted Windows in my previous HDD. Now we'll switch on the laptop. We'll see. Here my laptop is turned on. Here I have partitioned my drives. You can see here HDD and SSD. Go to my computer and you have check here. You can see here I have partitioned my drives, my HDD and SSD. My HDD is 1 TB and my SSD capacity is 500 GB. My SSD, I partitioned it to two parts. One is my local disk C and other one is superfast drive F. And my HDD to personal drive and my professional drive partitions. You can observe here. Now you can observe memory capacity in the video, and now right click on my computers and go to properties. That shows my RAM properties and capacity. We can observe here. And here you can see my installed RAM is 8 GB. Now we'll check the boot up time and loading time of browser. You can see here under 30 seconds I am completely load my desktop. And here you can see under 40 seconds I am able to browse and get results. As SSD is a chip and HDD is a disk, With SSD, the speed of the computer improves and will have less loading time when compared to HDD and having the keeping extra RAM. We can work with complex applications like gaming, animating, and other huge memory taking applications. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.